How to increase iPhone touch sensitivity. Hi everyone, welcome back. Here's a video on how to increase iPhone touch sensitivity. If you've been having issues on how your iPhone screen responds to your touches, here's an easy way to fix it. Let's go to our settings. From settings, just scroll down and look for accessibility. Tap accessibility and then go to physical and motor. Under physical and motor, you should see touch, so tap on that and you should see the following. Tap touch accommodations and make sure that touch accommodations is turned off as that will really slow down or decrease your touch sensitivity on your iPhone. Now, as you can see, we have the following options as well. We have hold duration. Hold duration is basically the amount of time that you have to touch a specific area on the screen before your screen recognizes it. So make sure that it is turned off. Other than that, make sure that ignore repeat is also turned off. Basically, make sure that everything is turned off on this page in order for your iPhone to easily recognize touches on your screen. And after that, you're good to go. However, if your iPhone touch sensitivity is still not as good, consider looking into better screen protectors as that may also be a factor as to why your touch sensitivity is really low. And that is how to increase iPhone touch sensitivity. If you found this video helpful, feel free to let us know in the comments below, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.